Okay, hi Joe, what you doing?
How's it going? So today Amazon just dropped off a really great package here. This is a Niello grow light. I believe that's within this package here. Niello grow lights are supposed to be amazing grow light. They're 45 watts, 225 LEDs, and every gardener needs one of these. And I've only heard good reviews on them, so I'm going to review it myself, being a gardener. Okay, so let's see how it's packed. First of all, this is from Amazon. You can buy these on Amazon.
Huh?
Okay, and so it's packed really well. We got some bubble plastic in there. We'll take that out. And it's ultra thin, not very heavy. Okay, so there's the box. There's the packing. Really nice packing job. Like I say, these are available on Amazon.
I'm just getting the name for LED plant grow light.
Yeah, so it's a Niello, and that's spelled Niello. Niello grow light panel.
Okay.
And it's 45 watts. So it looks like it's packed in here pretty good too. Oh yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Really nice packing job. And there's instructions with it. Also, let me just take this off of here. So it is ultra thin. And what this does, this basically replaces the sunlight. So if you're growing plants that require more sunlight, of course in the daytime, in the summer months and spring months, we get a lot more daylight than we do here in the winter months here in the Northern Hemisphere. So because we're so far north, and today I'm unboxing, it's the first day of winter, we have the shortest day of the year. So a lot of these plants we grow are lacking sunlight at this time of the year. So you can turn this on in the daytime and it will kind of act like the sun, right? And it'll keep.
Let me get a look at that.
Okay, check out this. Isn't that amazing?
Very cool.
This is super cool.
Wow.
So you plug it into the wall.
Looks like a little cupcake.
Yep.
Mini cupcake.
There's a switch. Here's the switch, off and on switch. And you know what? It looks like it's made very well. You guys, this looks like an amazing product. And it does come with instructions here. Okay, there's instructions included. And I'll tell you what else it comes with. Using effective presentation. Right? So anyway, there's the user manual. So we're going to put that over there. And what it has on the back are these little loops, okay? And so you see the little loops on the back here, the little triangles. Well, what else it comes with is this.
Here you go.
This right here. And this right here are, I think they're cables or strings. Let's just see. Let's take it out of the package. Here. Okay. Thank you, Niello. And
cool.
This is awesome.
Well,
this is a really good. This is a really well-made grow light, you guys. I'm an avid gardener, and you know I propagate a lot of palm trees and exotic plants.
You know what I was going to say, because my son, he grows a lot of exotic cactuses, and he lives in an apartment too. So this would actually be good for people also that live in apartments.
Yep.
Or have a space in their home they want to have certain plants.
I recommend this grow light for every gardener that has plants that are needing more light at this time of the year. And so this is really easy to hook up. There's no trick to it, okay?
And you were talking about too, or people that are starting up little seedlings to
that need more light, exactly. Okay, so we got these on here. This is so easy to hook up. And now this is, like I say, this is a well-built product. So there you go.
Cool.
Right there. Okay, so let's plug this thing in. Okay, let's move this over here. And let's put this down here and give her a shot and see what it looks like, okay? Appreciate you guys watching this, guys, folks, fellow gardeners out there. And like I say, thank you for the people at Niello Grow Light for sending me this for a review. It's a pretty awesome thing. So let me just cut this off of here. It'll be easier. That's why I have my pruners.
You know what? That'd make a great gift for any gardener.
Oh, you know what? This is like a Christmas gift or a birthday gift or just, you want to get something for a gardener? Get them a Niello Grow Light.
A little housewarming.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm plugging it in.
People with green thumbs.
Look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Check out this.
Wow.
Oh, man. Okay, so we got some tropical plants over here.
I'm just thinking... Wow.
You know what? You got to remember, it's not going to give off. It gives off a little bit of heat because there's 225 LED lights. So let's spin it around.
Whoa! I'm not sure how the camera's picking that up, but it's.
So what you're going to do, you're going to hang it from somewhere. So let's just use this for an example. Take this over here, and I could hook it.
Joe actually we'll have to get a little table that he would set up.
Well, you know what? I have a lot of plants in the basement, a lot of tropical plants, and this is going to work awesome. So you can find these on eBay. It's called a Niello grow light panel, 45 watt, ultra thin, 225 LEDs. And like I say, Amazon. And this is a must for every gardener. Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah, that is great.
All right, so there's the review. Now I give this thing 5, so we're going to say 5 stars, 5 out of 5 stars for this. It's well made, it's light, it's easy to hook up.
Yeah.
Even a beginner gardener, that wants, more light for their plants can set this up.
Oh, totally.
And it'll make a great gift.
Yeah.
Would you want one of these for a gift?
Oh yeah.
Wendy would want one of these.
My son would love that.
We're going to buy more of these. We're going to get more of these things.
Yeah. Well, and you actually know where you're actually going to be putting this in our basement.
Yep. Where I got lots
because
of
Joe
plants.
Stores a lot of plants
in the basement
for the winter.
Yeah.
And that is going to be amazing. The plants are going to love it.
Great gift. And I think we're going to be getting some more of these for gifts for people. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to this channel, and pick one of these up for yourself, a Niello Grow Light LED.
Great.
All right, guys? Cheers, and thank you, Niello, for sending me this. Cheers.
Okay. Thanks, Joe.
You're welcome.
And thanks, Niello.
Amazon.